Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. But before I make an introduction, y'all look at my edges. Y'all see that bald spot? Like, I don't know what has been going on with my edges, but they are playing me right now. But anyways, I'm gonna be giving myself a trim because girl, as you can see, like I can barely get this brush through my hair. Like the ends are just horrifying. Like if y'all knew how much pain I was in from even detangling my hair while it was stretched, like no. And like even in its curly state, it was getting very tangled up. And y'all see that? Like the ends are just trash, okay? Like, look at my face. I was so disgusted because I didn't know it was that bad, okay? Oh, I kind of knew, but I just neglected it, to be honest. But I'm just gonna be parting my hair down the middle, putting away one side of it, and then starting the cutting process because, listen, I need these ends off ASAP because my hair was breaking off left and right. Like, I lost a good amount of hair from just not cutting my hair. So let this be a sign that do the trim. Do the trim. If you want your hair to grow, do the trim. Because if you don't trim it, it's just gonna regress back. It's not gonna grow, okay? Or it is gonna grow. It's just you're not gonna retain the length that you are working for. So don't make my mistake. Don't be like me. Trim your hair, girl. Trim it. So in the moment, it felt like I was cutting a lot of my hair off. And during certain points, I was like low key kind of freaking out. I was like, oh my gosh, this is like a lot of hair. I'm like cutting all my hair off, blah, 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 blah. But it wasn't even that much hair, to be honest. But I will say that I tried to focus my cutting on the dead ends. Like right here, I focused on like the dead ends rather than, making my hair even, which is why I cut that piece so short because I wanted to cut, you know, majority of the dead ends off my hair. And obviously, I ended up butchering my hair in certain points, but you know what? I don't really regret it because I wear my hair curly a lot of the times anyways, so it doesn't really phase me or matter. Like I did the same thing right here. So, it is what it is at this point. Like I can't go back and fix it. I just got to live with it. Like I can't fix it. So, let this be a sign that if you really care about how your hair is cut or if you don't want to butcher your hair like I did, go to a professional, okay? Save yourself the worries and the faces and all of that and go to a professional. But I did my thing. My hair looks a lot better than what it did before, and I was kind of happy with the results. Like it's not as straight as I would like, but it's okay. Um, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.